Skeleton Hiccups by Margery Cuyler and illustrated by S.D. Schindler. This book is read by Joan Augustyn and is interpreted into sign language by Jake Marshall. Hic, hic, hic. Skeleton Hiccups by Margery Cuyler and illustrated by S.D. Schindler. The key words and phrases for this book are skeleton, skeleton, skeleton. The next word is hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. The next phrase is brush your teeth, brush your teeth, brush your teeth. Skeleton woke up. Hic, hic, hic. Had the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Took a shower. Hic, hic, hic. Brushed his teeth. Hic, hic, hic. Polished his bones. Hic, hic, hic. Carved a pumpkin. Hic, hic, hic. Raked some leaves. Hic, hic, hic. Played with ghost. Hic, hic, hic. Ghost told skeleton, hold your breath. Hic, 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 hic. Eat some sugar. Hic, hic, hic. Press your fingers over your eyeballs. Hic, hic, hic. Drink some water. Upside down. Hic, hic, hic. Hic, hic, hic. Ghost made a face. Hic, hic, hic. Said boo to skeleton. Hic, hic, hic. But nothing worked. Hic, hic, hic. The hiccups stayed. Hic, hic, hic. Then Ghost got smart. Hic, hic, hic. Found a mirror. Hic, hic, hic. Held it up. Hic, hic, hic. Skeleton screamed. Ah! Hic, hic, hic. The hiccups left. Hic, hic, hic. They jumped away. Hic, hic, hic. Hooray! The end. The key words for this book were skeleton, 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 and hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. And the last phrase was brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth.